Alonzo Taylor.
Here for that.
All right, this is a motion to revoke.
It is, Judge.
All right. I don't have anything on the motion to revoke.
Here's the court summary, Judge. And specifically, Judge, this is a motion to set bond that I had filed on the motion to revoke.
Have you all discussed the motion to revoke?
I have, Judge.
So is this going to be contested?
At this point, it would be, Judge. The new number one is very new. I have not received the discovery as of yet.
Are there other allegations in the motion other than the new number one?
There are, Judge.
All right, Norma, set this for a contested hearing in 10 days. When is it set? All right, your contested hearing is going to be December 18th.
And Judge, on behalf of my client regarding the motion to set bond.
Oh, we'll hear that. I'll hear your motion to set bond, but y'all need to be ready for a contested hearing on December 18th. All right. Did you file a motion for bond?
I did, Judge. I have it ready.
All right, thank you.
Judge.
State, are you ready to proceed?
Just 1 second, Judge.
And I apologize, Judge. I bring with Megan, so.
Okay, thank you.
All right, the court is calling 2022 CR 6828, State versus Alonzo Taylor. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
And Jonathan Alvarado for the defense.
And are you Alonzo Miguel Taylor?
Yes, no.
All right, this is a motion to revoke, and counsel, you're requesting a bond be set.
Correct, Judge.
All right. Have you all agreed on amount or no?
No, Judge.
All right. And defense, what amount of bond are you requesting?
Judge, in my review of the bonds that have previously been set for this cases for this case, one was 10,000, one was 15,000. I would recommend Judge 30,000 as far as the bond goes. He does have a new number one. It's just one case to burglary habitation. And that case, Judge, his bond is already set at $75,000. So there's already a high amount. Given that, and given that it's on for a third degree, I would ask for 30,000.
All right. And state, what are you requesting?
Judge, I'm requesting $100,000 with full GPS and then no contact with some individuals. And I do have a state exhibit B1 for purposes of the hearing that I'd like the court to review and send in the vote.
All right. The court will review state's exhibit. Any objection?
Not for the purposes of this hearing.
Thank you. All right, the court has reviewed state's exhibits. Defense, do you have any witnesses to call with regards to bond amount?
Not this time, Judge.
All right, then I don't know what he's able to afford. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to set your bond at $150,000. There's going to be full GPS. There's to be no contact with the following: for him?